Hello student, I am Anjali Sinha, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss the chapter 3 drainage topic rivers of Himalayan region. The major Himalayan rivers are the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. The Indus originated from Bokharchu Glacier near Mansarovar Lake in Kailas range of Greater Himalaya in Tibet. With a total length of 2,900 km, the Indus is one of the longest rivers of the world. It flows down from altitudes of 5,000 meters from the sea level. It enters India in the Ladakh region of Jammu Kashmir, where it forms a striking gorge and several tributaries like the Jaskar, the Nubra, the Sayok and Hunja join it here. The Indus flows through Gilgit and Baltistan and emerge from the mountains at Attock. The Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelab join together to enter the Indus near Mithankot in Pakistan. Indus flows southward and later take a bend to the southwest direction and reaches the Arabian Sea east of Karachi. Its 1/3 part lies in India, in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. According to Indus Water Treaty in 1960, India can use only 20% of total water carried by Indus River system. Look at the map. Indus River system. Indus originates from Bokharchu Glacier near Mansarovar Lake in Kailas range of Greater Himalaya. Then its flow westward entered India in Ladakh district of Jammu Kashmir. Then its moved towards the west and entered the Pakistan in Gilgit and Baltistan. Then its moved southward and joined by the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj near Mithankot. Then it's moved forward in south direction and fall into the Arabian Sea near Karachi or east of Karachi. That's all for Indus River. See you next time. Take very good care of yourself.